First, you gotta do the truffle shuffle. Come on, One-Eyed Willie. What does this have to do with the map?
Hi guys, today I am going to do a 3D printed craft. This is inspired by the movie The Goonies. We have the skeleton key and the pirate coin. Replicas from the movie. I'm really excited to do this. I love The Goonies. One of my favorites, and it's filmed here in Oregon in Astoria and Cannon Beach and all over the Oregon coast, really. This is going to be a lot of fun. I printed out 2 just in case. We are going to experiment with some colors. I want to give it kind of that aged look because it's from, you know, Pirate Treasure, and so I think I'm going to paint it black first. I know I could have printed it black, but I already had brown in my 3D printer and I didn't feel like changing out the brown for black. Lazy. So we're going to paint this black first and then go over it with copper, and maybe, depending on how that looks, I might do some dabbing with like a Victorian green. But I may not. I may just leave it like the coppery black. We will see when it's done, what it looks like. And then to finish it all off, I like to use Mod Podge to give it a nice seal. I use the gloss Mod Podge because I like the way it looks. And that's going to be today's craft project. I have my coffee. That's the most important part of the day. Heck yeah. And just because, yeah, they baby Ruth. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to time lapse while I paint. So here we go. it turned out okay. I'm not real wild about the color, but it's okay. I used my keychain that I got when I was in Astoria last time. I used this as a guide for coloring purposes, and it turned out okay. So here is the keys. I did 2. And then here are the coins. Not too bad. I'm pretty happy with them. They'll be a nice addition to my nerd shelf, my little geeky collection that I have going on. That's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe for many more videos. I have so many fun Halloween things coming up in the plans, even though things are a little weird this year due to, you know, the way it is, 2020. Anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.
Anybody got kids, Mark? Baby Ruth?
And now, crowd to this baby. Talk about
Chunk is dead. Don't say that. Never say that. Goonies never say die.